Hello everyone, this is Ricky Tavre from Gossipfunda. Let us have a look at how to see someone's location on iPhone. For this, you need to go and search the My Location or Find Me app on the iPhone. Once you open the app, you will see a page where you can see devices, people. So now if you click on people, you can share your location with all the people whose names are mentioned in the share list. Now devices, you can see all your devices which are connected to your phone and their live locations on your phone as well, such as the AirPods or your earphones, etc. Then share me location, that is your location will be shared if you own it. And then there is a list of items where you can tag on your item locations, for example the AirPods or anything which is connected through Bluetooth to your phone, so that all those devices are mentioned in the devices list. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.